Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT R15, and today I'll show you how to enable unknown sources. So to get started, we want to open up Settings, from here let's navigate into Apps and Notifications, then tap on Advanced, Special App Access, and at the bottom, where is it? You should see Install Unknown Apps right here. And you'll have a bunch of different apps that you already have installed that you can grant access to install unknown sources. So for instance, if you're downloading an app through Chrome from a web somewhere, to install it you would need to allow here, allow from this source, and now whatever you download through Chrome should be able to be installed without any problem. So that is basically how you would enable unknown sources, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.